How we started out. First, my husband Brian, he found himself without a job because his firm went through some downsizing, and he decided he didn't want to work for someone else anymore and wanted to start his own firm. At the same time, I was working at another firm that practiced elder abuse, nursing home litigation, and I was unhappy there for a variety of reasons, but was limited in where I could go if I wanted to continue practicing nursing home litigation. There weren't a lot of firms that did that in my community. So he opened the law firm in 2011, I believe, and I stayed at my job so that I could support us financially while he pursued opening his own firm. Then a year later, I brought in my own case to my firm, and that gave me the ability to then say, is it time for me to also go out and join Brian at his own firm? We decided together that I would take that case that I had brought into my firm and join Brian in our firm together. That was around 2013, and at that time, I had one case that I was working on. That was a huge leap of faith. It was a very large case. It was very costly and time intensive, but I had one case. That case had a wonderful outcome for both us and our client, and it allowed us to then look into the future and see where we wanted to go with our firm. For the first 10 years of our practice, it was just me and Brian and our paralegal. And I handled all of my own casework, and I worked up every single case with a caseload of approximately 12 to 15 cases at any given time, which doesn't sound like a lot, but nursing home litigation cases are very, very time-consuming, labor-intensive, and costly. So that was actually a lot for one person to handle. It wasn't until I had my third child that we decided that we needed to bring on an associate. So that was only in 2022. It took approximately 9 years to start expanding our firm, and I feel like that's a whole nother topic for another video.